Hey there, welcome to a Mindful Minute. This is where I teach and show and prove to you that you can practice mindfulness all throughout your day in the smallest, simplest ways. It doesn't have to be a giant chore or a meditation. We can do just about anything mindfully by focusing our attention on what we're doing in the present moment. So today we're going to do this in a way that might sound a little kooky, but we are going to mindfully trace our hands. I know, sounds kind of strange, but this is something you can do anywhere, so I want you to try it with me right now. Flex those mindful muscles. We're going to put 60 seconds on the clock. Let's do it. All right, I want you to start this exercise by putting the palm of your hand out in front of you. You see your hands all the time, but I want you to notice changes in texture on your skin, creases that you see, maybe patterns with color. And I want you to just press very gently in the palm of your hand with your other hand, noticing your hand isn't fully flat. There's changes in the texture. Now I want us to start by tracing your hand with your finger. Go slow, don't rush, and as you do that, really notice where your fingers are making contact. Really look at that as you move up. Notice how there are changes in the knuckle. Notice how your other hand feels as it moves. Slow down and notice this with more intention and awareness right here in the palm of your hand. That's it. You did it. Now, if you're thinking, Allison, how does this help me? Like, this is weird. This is my hand and I'm tracing it. I can do that anywhere. Yes, you can. But when we slow things down and really bring our full attention to what we're doing, it's flexing those mindful muscles. The same muscles that you use in a meditation and the same muscles that you're trying to use when you're getting frustrated and about to flip your lid, right? These are the exact same muscles, and you can work them out literally just by doing that exercise we just did with our hand. Thank you so much for joining me. Mindfulness takes some work and some practice, but it gets easier the more you do it. If you want to continue to find some little mindful minutes and get some creative ways for how you can practice this, then tune in every Wednesday because I release a new mindful minute on YouTube and on Instagram TV. So you can find me there and join in. Thanks so much. Go practice.